holidays. Thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. For today's cooking segment, today we're preparing pecan and cream cheese sweet potato casserole. You don't want to miss this segment. If you're cooking with us today, go ahead and get your ingredients ready and let's get started. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I have taken my sweet potatoes and I have cut them up into chunks. Put these on the stove for probably about 20 minutes. Go ahead and bring your sweet potatoes to a boil in your water and let them boil for 15 to 20 minutes or longer, depending on what size you cut them, until they're nice and tender. Okay, so our sweet potatoes are so tender and they are ready. So I'm going to go ahead and turn those off. Strain my sweet potato. Strainer basket. Okay, so we've melted our butter and we're going to go ahead and start adding some sweet potatoes to our dish. I have a cup of butter. I'm going to go ahead and mix that in. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a dash of ginger, 1 teaspoon of salt. You can salt to taste. I'm going to mix this all together. Now I'm going to take some of the sweet potatoes that I have left in my bowl and I'm going to mix them with a half a block of cream cheese. And I'm going to go ahead and mix that in really well with these sweet potatoes. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and add it to the rest of my sweet potatoes. Okay, we'll mix that in. We'll go ahead and add our sugar. Okay, so I'm going to spread this just like this. Now I'm going to add my pecans right on top. Need to pre-roast your pecans. Make sure they're under the marshmallows. I'm going to lay my marshmallows right on top. Okay, so now we're going to go in the oven. You can set your oven to 375, 400 degrees, but make sure you watch them, because your marshmallows can let it cook until your marshmallows are nice and toasted. Now doesn't that look delicious? I would also like to say this is fresh out of the oven. This special sauce that you see dripping off of here right now, this yummy, yummy sauce, is 3 marshmallows and a 1/4 cup of 2% milk. Heated in the microwave, and it made that delicious sauce. Why don't we go ahead and cut into this baby? Thanks so much for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks. Bye.